If you're investing your hard-earned money without first having developed an investment philosophy, you're just asking for a world of hurt. Without a clear understanding of what you're investing toward, how you will invest, and how you will behave when things get scary, as they inevitably will, you're simply setting yourself up to make the classic investor mistakes. Mistakes like failing to diversify, trying to time the market, not understanding your investment, lack of patience, or letting emotions like fear and greed drive your investment decisions. Just as in other areas of your life, if you're unclear in your thoughts, someone else, like the sensationalist media, will be happy to step in and tell you what to think and do, usually with their best interest, not yours, in mind. Hi, I'm Clark Atterbury, President and Financial Advisor with Atterbury Investment Management. In this video, I want to shine a light on just how important it is to have an investment philosophy. Stick around toward the end of the video if you'd like to hear some of the key elements of ours. With so much information instantly and constantly available, many think that puts them in a better position to make good investment decisions. The truth is, however, information overload often incites irrational investor behavior. In the absence of a cohesive investment philosophy guiding your behavior, it's all too easy to get caught up in the herd mentality, which often does more harm than good. The famous investor Warren Buffett is able to ignore the noise because he knows it doesn't matter. In building one of the greatest investment portfolios ever, he strictly adheres to his investment philosophy. Buy great businesses at fair prices with the intention of holding them forever. While none of us is Warren Buffett, having a clear understanding of your investment philosophy really helps you to develop a conviction that will serve you well when you need it most. This doesn't need to be complicated. A few key concepts are all you really need. Here are a few of ours. Feel free to use them if they ring true for you. Participate in the global economy by owning shares of great companies. Understand the difference between speculating and investing and act accordingly. Diversify broadly, both among markets and within each respective market. Rebalance periodically and stay invested. Keep a cool head even when things are scary. That last one can be hard because it requires discipline and patience, but with a well thought out investment philosophy, you'll find it easier to eliminate second guessing and to stay focused on what's important. You'll want to include specific methods for creating a diversified portfolio and for rebalancing it periodically in order to keep it in line with your objectives and risk profile. An experienced investment professional whose investment philosophy is consistent with your own can add a lot of value. Reach out to us if you think we might be a good match. Let us know some of the elements in your investment philosophy in the comments section below. Subscribe to our channel if you'd like to be informed when we come out with new videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.